worry. You love the toilet more than you love me. Thank you very much. That was only the first commandment. Second commandment. What is it? You shall not. Anybody here know anything about the church? Second commandment. Keep. No. You shall not take the name of the Lord your God in vain. Now get that, gentlemen. Vain. It doesn't say in anger. It doesn't just say, Jesus Christ, God damn it. Always wrong. It says not using God's name in vain is using God's name as an adjective. Oh my God, did you see how that person hit that ball? My God, that was the greatest thing I ever saw. Oh my God, it was great. Use God's name in vain. What did they do to you in the Old Testament if you just said the name God? What did they do to you? Do you know? Stoned you to death. Same penalty as adultery. And I know priests, I know nuns, I know daily mass goers that use God's name in vain all the time. I go, no big deal. If you just happen to go, oh my God, you should have seen that, they would say, ah, and they would stop. They'd get the stones and they would kill you. Huh? I just said it once. Yep, that's all it took. Isn't it amazing? And nowadays, it's no big deal. It's a very big deal, gentlemen. To say God's name is to invoke his presence. It's like saying, hey, Larry. What? Hey, Larry. What? Hey, Larry. What? Nothing. I'm just saying your name. To invoke God's name is to invoke his presence. So, do you say God's name in vain? If it's a habit, it's time to